It's a popular day to be here at LegoLand Florida. Really popular.
Hi everybody! Oh, look at that unicorn shirt. So cute. Alright guys. Let's get right next to each other.
200 minutes. Now, I've never seen anything close to that here at LegoLand.
Another exciting day where we have a date from the world's best Lego. This is Claus. Hi, Denver. Hi, Nick. What's happening?
Graham, are you stealing cookies from the cookie jar again?
No, that definitely wasn't me.
Look out. Holiday yummy's coming through.
Oh, a sprinkle of holiday magic. Toodaloo.
Oh, no.
Magic? Yeah, holiday magic is only for the elves.
Yeah, we don't need to believe in that stuff to make the best gingerbread ever.
Yeah, so much to do. Gingerbread was straight from office. That we have so much to do. Gingerbread was straight from office. That we have so much to do. Happy holidays.
To start a doughy roll,
Then we check the recipe book so we know what to do.
Add in 1 egg, but ever so gently. Pieces of shell just won't do.
it's time for step 3. Golden and dreamy pack butter. A bit of flavor is a gem.
Mix it in while looking. Now we're really cooking.
It's the gingerbread man!
A real life cookie in our kitchen. Wait, how is this even real?
This is amazing! But gingerbread, could you explain how we're here right now?
Hell, no one knows how to bake a more magical batch of gingerbread than the gingerbread man himself.
I mean, he's got a point.
Okay, Gingy, we'll give it a try.
Little holiday magic is stupendously simple.
You're right, and it wasn't hard at all for me.
The gingerbread house for the elves! And the world tastes good because gingerbread thinks it should.
You can change the song of the merry-go-round. The song lies. Sorry, I'm not going to be able to show you all the lights lit up because I'm going to Gatorland tonight. So I love that there is Christmas stuff around here, but it seems that LegoLand does more for Halloween than Christmas, so they got their priorities straight. I like that. This is normally the haunted house when it's decorated for Halloween. Now, this entire video is being shot handheld with my phone, so let me know how it looks. It's got some pretty amazing stabilization, I think. So this is the same theater, the LegoLand City stage, where they have the candy-coated curse. If the North Pole nonsense is the same people who perform the candy-coated curse, I will not be here for that. I'm not used to seeing LegoLand this busy. It's significantly busy. There's always seating over here. I have a theory that if this was a lot closer to Orlando and Disney, it would be like this a lot more often. And I wish it was, because I'd be here a lot more often.
Happy holidays!
More crowds. As it sounds like I'm complaining, but I'm not. I'm not at all. This is great to see this park this busy, but I've never seen this line all the way back to here. Surprised they're not going virtual. This is a ride that's capable of having a virtual line. There we go. Well, that is my final visit to LegoLand Florida for 2020. There's still Christmas stuff here, so that's what we saw. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. How many days of Christmas? 400. How is this possible? Don't know, but that's what it says. I think this is my second highest score ever. It's actually 72 degrees today, right now, but it's supposed to get up to about 77, so even I'm going to be on some water rides today.